Welcome students on the second presentation on the topic fund flow statement. In this presentation, 3 points will be covered. Number 1, how to solve numericals on fund flow statement. Number 2, numerical number 1 with its solution, and finally second numerical with its solution. Now the problem that will arise in your mind, how to solve numericals on fund flow statement. You have to keep in mind the following steps. Number 1, read the problem carefully and the adjustments given below the balance sheet. Number 2, prepare a statement of changes in working capital and record all current assets and current liabilities of both the periods. Show the changes and difference, if any, that will be either increase in working capital or decrease in working capital. Compare and check all fixed assets of both the periods, and if there is no change in the figures of both the years without any adjustments, then do not record the figures of fixed assets either in adjusted P&L account or fund flow statement. Compare fixed assets of two periods, and in case of any change in the figures as well as adjustments given, then open a separate account for each fixed assets and find out missing figure like purchase or sale of asset, profit or loss on sale of asset, depreciation on asset, and the missing figure will appear in adjusted P&L account or fund flow statement. Goodwill, if it is given in the balance sheet, compare the goodwill and figures of goodwill, and the balancing figure will be recorded in adjusted P&L account. Compare share capital and share premium account, and the difference, if any, will appear in fund flow statement. On the same lines, compare debentures and long-term loans and record the difference, if any, in fund flow statement. Prepare proposed dividend account and provision for taxation account separately. Record the adjustments if given in the form of adjustments, and the difference, if any, that shall appear either in adjusted P&L account or fund flow statement. The next step will be preparation of adjusted P&L account. Expenses and losses and amounts to be written off shall appear on the debit side of this account and income on the credit side of this account. Record opening and closing balances, and finally the difference of this account will be operating profit or fund generated from business operation will be shifted to fund flow statement. Finally, prepare a fund flow statement either in T format or either in vertical format. Now let us move to numericals. This is numerical number 1, the balance sheet of 2 years 31st March 2015 and 31st March 2016 are given. On the left hand side various liabilities are given, on the right hand side various assets are given, and this is a very basic simple problem without any adjustments. Now remember the steps as we discussed earlier. So first of all, you have to prepare a statement of changes in working capital, record all current assets like stock, debtors, cash, and current liabilities like creditors, and show the changes increase in current assets in increase in working capital column, and if there is any change in the creditors, it will appear in decrease in working capital column. Finally, compare increase in working capital column and decrease in working capital column. The net increase or decrease will be recorded in fund flow statement. The second step is prepare profit and loss adjustments account. General reserve written off will be recorded on the debit side. The proposed dividend, if any, as per the adjust will be shown on the debit side. And finally, find out the funds from business operation. And the last step will be prepare for fund flow statement. This is the T format, traditional format. Sources of funds are recorded on the left hand side and application or uses of funds are shown on the right hand side, and the figures of sources of funds and application of funds should be the same. So in this manner you have to solve the problem on fund flow statement. Now let us discuss the second numerical. Now these are the balance sheets of 2 years, 2019 and 2020. Liabilities are given, assets are given. Few adjustments are given. Number 1, depreciation. Number 2, provision for tax to be made during the year. And number 3, dividend to be paid. So you have to open separate plant and machinery account and land and building account, provision for taxation account, and payment of dividend will be shown in adjusted P&L account or fund flow statement. So the first step will be prepare a statement of changes in working capital. Write down all current assets with current liabilities, and the difference, if any, in the working capital will be net increase or net decrease. Now in this sum it is net increase in working capital of rupees 1,16,300, which will be recorded in fund flow statement. The second working note you have to prepare for plant and machinery to find out purchase of machinery. Record opening balance on the debit side and closing balance on the credit side. Record the adjustment, and the balancing figure will be purchase of asset, and this will be shown in the fund flow statement. The next working note is provision for taxation account. As per the adjustment number 2, record the adjustment on the in this account, and the balancing figure will be the tax paid during the year, and this will appear in the fund flow statement. Then next working note you have to prepare on account of profit and loss adjustment account. General reserve written off will appear on the debit side. Provision for taxation will appear on the debit side. Proposed dividend for the current year will appear on the debit side. Depreciation on machinery and building will appear on the debit side of this account. Difference in goodwill and opening balance will appear on the credit side. Balancing figure will be the funds from business operation, which will be recorded in fund flow statement. Finally, you have to prepare a fund flow statement for that year. Record sources of funds like funds from business operation, issue of equity shares, and bank loan raised on the left hand side. Write down the uses of funds like purchase of plant and machinery, dividend paid during the year, tax paid during the year, and increase in working capital to the right hand side of fund flow statement. The total of sources and total of uses or application of funds should be the same. Thank you very much for the numerical.